Meet Bill. Bill is a successful businessman, and now that he's retired, he's decided to invest more of his time and money into Christian education. But Bill wonders, how do we know that Christian education is worth doing? This is where Cardus Education steps in. A lot of us have come a long way relying on instinct to tell us the answer to this question. But the Cardus Education Survey works to provide reliable, credible data that shows the truth about what Christian education is doing well and where it's falling short. We start with a central research question. Is there an alignment between the motivations for Christian education and the outcomes of Christian education? To answer this question, we look at academic development, cultural engagement, and spiritual formation across various kinds of schools in both Canada and the United States. Cardus, a think tank dedicated to the renewal of North American social architecture, has teamed up with the University of Notre Dame. Notre Dame's Dr. David Sickink is the project's primary quantitative researcher, and he is supported by a team of advisors that helps shape the questions asked to hundreds of graduates and dozens of school principals. The results of the Cardus Education surveys show where educational systems are succeeding and where they need to change. Helpful data for the public at large to grasp what constructive role Christian education might provide to society. Most schools excel in one area, but may be less successful in others. Those findings bring Cardus to ask questions like, might academic excellence be a spiritual virtue? And how does Christian education contribute to the public good? Thanks to Bill and others like him, we're continuing our research in the field of education with our next survey of the U.S. population to be released this year. In partnership with the University of Notre Dame, Cardus is working to advance and deepen the discussion about Christian education in North America. Because if Christian education is worth doing, it's worth measuring, and it's worth improving.